Hello, this is Mr. White. We are in Chapter 7. This is Lesson 2, How Cells Make Proteins. My Planet Diary. Dinosaur or chicken? In 2007, a 68 million year old dinosaur protein was discovered by Harvard scientists. The protein, called collagen, was extracted from the soft tissue of a Tyrannosaurus rex that died in Montana. Collagen is an important component of bone. The protein from the dinosaur is similar to protein found in modern-day chickens, supporting the connection between dinosaurs and birds. With the discovery, scientists have more evidence that these two species are related. How does a cell make proteins? The production of a protein in a cell is called protein synthesis. During protein synthesis, the cell uses information from a gene on a chromosome to produce a specific protein. Proteins help determine the size, shape, color, and other traits of an organism by triggering cellular processes. The protein code passes from parent to offspring through DNA, resulting in inherited traits. The structure of proteins. Proteins are made up of molecules called amino acids, as shown in Figure 1. Although there are only 20 amino acids, cells can combine them in different ways to form thousands of different proteins. You can think of the 20 amino acids as being like the 26 letters of the alphabet. Those 26 letters can form thousands of words. The letters you use and their order determine the word you form. A change in just one letter, for example, from rice to mice, creates a new word. Similarly, a change in the type of order of amino acids can result in a different protein. The role of RNA. Protein synthesis takes place in the cytoplasm outside the cell's nucleus. The chromosomes are found inside the nucleus, so a messenger must carry the genetic code from the DNA inside the nucleus to the cytoplasm. This genetic messenger is called RNA, or ribonucleic acid. Although both RNA and DNA are nucleic acids, they have some differences. RNA has only one strand and contains a different sugar molecule than DNA. Another difference is in the nitrogen bases. Like DNA, RNA contains adenine, guanine, and cytosine. However, instead of thymine, RNA contains uracil. Types of RNA. Two types of RNA take part in protein synthesis. Messenger RNA copies the message from DNA in the nucleus and carries the message to the ribosomes in the cytoplasm. Transfer RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome and adds them to the growing protein. mRNA enters the cytoplasm. DNA unzips between its base pairs. Then, one of the strands of DNA directs the production of a strand of mRNA. To form the RNA strand, RNA bases pair up with the DNA bases. The process is similar to DNA replication. Cytosine always pairs with guanine. However, uracil, not thymine, pairs with adenine. The mRNA leaves the nucleus and enters the cytoplasm. Ribosomes attach to the mRNA. A ribosome attaches to the mRNA in the cytoplasm. On the ribosome, the mRNA provides the code for the protein that will be made. In the cytoplasm, specific amino acids are attached to specific molecules of tRNA. tRNA attaches to mRNA. The molecules of tRNA and their amino acids attach to the mRNA. The bases on tRNA read the message and pair with bases on mRNA. Amino acids join in the ribosome. Transfer molecules attach one at a time to the ribosomes and continue to read the message. The amino acids are linked together and form a growing chain. The order of the amino acids is determined by the order of the three base codes on the mRNA. Protein chains form. As the ribosome continues to move along the mRNA, adding amino acids, the protein grows. Once an amino acid is added, the tRNA is released and picks up another amino acid of the same kind. The protein continues to grow until the ribosome reaches a 3-base code that signals it to stop. The protein is then released.